how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually fix the Uber Eats promo code error, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Uber Eats application and maybe after ordering something you're trying to apply a promo code, but then it simply says that the promo code error. Now the very first thing you have to keep in mind is some of the things. First of all, make sure that the promo code is actually entered correctly. You might have received a notification from Uber saying you can apply this promo code. So if you have added that, you'll be able to go ahead and apply this promo code. Other thing is that if it has already been expired, so if the order has already been expired, the promo code has been expired, you will not be able to redeem the promo code. And the other is if it is limited, because sometimes they might offer a promo code but only for some particular restaurants, not for all of the restaurants but only for some particular restaurants. When you only order from those restaurants, then you'll be able to go ahead and then make sure that your promo code is correct and working, and also make sure that your internet connection is working fine to see if that's not the case. So this way you can fix the promo code error on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.